Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to import presets into Lightroom in a mobile. It's really simple and easy. First of all, what you have to do is you have to find some mobile presets and download them. So just simply download any preset for Lightroom. Like I'm going to download this one here. As you can see, it's downloaded. Now open your Lightroom and then import your photo. Then click on the presets tab in the bottom of the screen. From here, click on this yours and then click on these three dots in the top right corner. Now select this import presets and now you have to locate where you have downloaded the preset. As you can see, here is the preset. So you just have to simply select that preset and it will be load into your Lightroom, and then you can easily see your preset here or you can use it in your future projects. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to import preset into Lightroom on a mobile. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.